Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, we're gonna swap out this busted headlight with the brand new one that's in the shed. So come along for the journey and learn a little bit about cars today. Appreciate everybody watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. So in today's episode of Flip Flop Body Shop, what I'm gonna do here is pull the air deflector off from around the engine compartment area and the radiator. And that's got to come off because there are bolts that hold the bumper on and clips and stuff like that on the top section. So once I get those unbolted, then I'll be able to pull that bumper up over. There's a couple of retainer clips and things of that nature. And then I'll have to work my way around the fender well here where the bumper has a bolt up in there, straight up and down. And there's usually one or two bolts and clips, 3 or 4 maybe, into the fender liner. And then you just have to crawl under the bumper and find all those bolts and clips down there. This one's got bolts. And just always be careful because it does get dusty under there. So when you're running your tools, you don't want dust to fall down your eyeballs. So once that's loose, you can pull that front corner of that bumper to where it's about 3/4 of the way off, and you don't have to unbolt the other side. So then it's just 4 bolts. And this one has 1 plug for the whole headlamp. And just double check your plug and your pigtails and socket on the headlight. Make sure everything matches up with the busted one with the aftermarket one, so that when you put it in there, everything lines up. And so it's just the best time to do it. So you don't want to find out once you put it on the car. So if you're enjoying today's video, make sure to go check out my channel page and check out my other content. So basically I'm going to put all 4 bolts in hand tight. Make sure you plug it in and then check it before you bolt everything up, because that would suck if you put the whole thing together and it didn't work. So now I know it's good. I'm making sure that it's bolted in and lined up along that fender edge, and then I'm just going to slap the bumper back up there. You'll have to kind of pull it towards the headlight as you're pushing it towards the car, but nothing you can't figure out. So but that's pretty much it. Same thing goes for the bumper. You'll want to hand tight all those bolts and then tighten them down after you put them all in, because otherwise you'll be fighting it. So that's pretty much it. I'll let my other self in this video close out the video here in just a sec. But I'm just tying up a few bolts and things of that nature. So enjoy the rest of the clips in the video, and appreciate everybody watching this episode of Flip Flop Body Shop. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions about what I did, make sure to drop them in the comment section, and then go check out some of the other content as soon as the video's off. But that's how you change out a busted headlight. Bigfoot out.